10 strange hybrid animals made in a laboratory. Scientists keep doing new and strange experiments every day. One of these experiments is to make hybrid animals. Today we're going to let you know about 10 strange hybrid animals. Number 1. Liger. As the name itself suggests, it's made up of a combination of a male lion and a female tiger. It's often heavier and larger than both lion and leopard species. Liger can often be up to 10 feet long and 2,000 pounds heavy, sometimes up to 2,200 pounds heavy. Number 2. Killer bees. This dangerous species of bees was mistakenly created by scientists when they were using it to increase honey production. European bees were introduced to South Africa, but due to the excessive heat, bees did not collect honey. To solve this, scientists mixed the European bee genes with African bee genes and created a hybrid species. All was well until these bees adopted a strange defense mechanism. Whenever their hive was pierced, their entire colony would attack. So far, killer bees have killed around 400 people worldwide. Number 3. Camel. Camel is a result of mixing the llama from South America with a camel in Asia. Although camels and llamas differ in size and height, both are actually distant relatives and also descendants of the same species. Camels are often 5 feet long and weigh 1,000 pounds. Camels have smaller fur on their body than the llama, and it makes a camel-like sound while eating. Their lifespan is often 30 to 40 years. Number 4. Super cow. The Belgian super cow is a mutant species of cows. They began in the 18th century when Belgian scientists and farmers thought of making native cattle with small horns. Over time, they would take the largest cattle of every variety and breed them. By doing this, a super cow was formed, which had about 20% more muscles on their body than the common cattle. Number 5. Zors. As the name itself suggests, it's a mixture of a male zebra and a female horse. The zebra's part in it protects it from many diseases and infections that usually affect horses and donkeys quickly. Because of this, it is not only very reliable, but also very powerful. Their most special thing is their black stripes like a zebra, which are most dense on the legs and the back. Number 6. Savannah. Savannah is a cat you must have seen because celebrities around the world raise them. They're made especially because they look very wild and look like a cheetah. The most important thing is that since 2006, it has a Guinness World Record in its name, also because it is the largest domesticated cat in the world. And yes, they cost around $12,000 to $20,000. Number 7. See-through frog. This is a special type of frog whose skin is transparent. Actually, the scientists of Japan made it so that the frog would not be cut for medical research. You can see its heart to its blood vessels through its transparent skin easily. However, only 1 out of every 16 frogs becomes transparent. Number 8. Enviro pig. There is a lot of phosphorus in the urine and feces of common pigs, which reach the rivers and seas and become algae and reduce the amount of oxygen in the water. Due to low oxygen, dead zones are created in which fish and other marine creatures start dying. To overcome all this, hybrid pigs were made whose phosphorus content in the waste was less than 65%. Number 9. Dolly the sheep. On 5th July 1996, Dolly the sheep made history in the biotech field. She became the first cloned animal composed of adult somatic cells. Dolly the sheep was born after 277 experiments by scientists working at the Roslin Institute in Scotland, which created a worldwide stir as it was the first clone of the sheep species. Number 10. Alligator turtle. These are very old and dangerous turtles. It's no surprise that their behavior is equally terrible. Their edgy armor, heavy creep, and thick cover looks like a dragon's tail. It's also called dinosaur of the turtle world. Unlike other species, the males can weigh up to 175 pounds, while females weigh just 50 pounds. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.